Hello dear friends, today we are going to see about Unani system of medicine. In this video we will see somewhat history about Unani system of medicine, how this system of medicine was developed, and the principle of Unani system of medicine. Unani system of medicine is also one of the traditional system of medicine. This Unani system of medicine was originated in Greece by the Greek philosopher Hippocrates, who is known as the father of medicine. He is also known as first physician. He had developed Unani system of medicine in Greece. Then it was followed by other Greek scientists or philosophers like Aristotle or Galen. They have given their contribution for the development of Unani system of medicine. Hippocrates and Aristotle contributed more for the development of Unani system of medicine. At the end of 5th century, the Nestorian Greek introduced the Greek civilization to Arab. During this time, the traditional knowledge or the literature of this system of medicine of Greek or materia medica of Greek was added or modified by Arab physician, and it was wrought in an Arabic language in an official book. Like this, Unani system of medicine was developed at the time of Arabian civilization. So Unani system of medicine was developed by Arabs and it was became popular as Arab system of medicine. It is also known as Unani system of medicine. In different part of world, it is known by different names such as Islamic system of medicine, Lonia system of medicine, and Oriental system of medicine. Now come to the point that how this system of medicine was introduced to India. In India, this system of medicine was introduced by Arab during 10th century AD. Muslims brought with them the Arabian system of medicine. Along with them, they brought Hakims. What is this Hakims? That is nothing but Muslim physician or medicinal practitioner. After this, Unani system of medicine was spreaded all over the India during Muslim rule, especially during the time of Alauddin Khilji, Tughlaq, Mughal Emperor, etc. So that is about brief history on Unani system of medicine. Now come to the point, that is principle of Unani system of medicine. It is mainly based on the principle that was put forwarded by Hippocrates. Here the disease is considered as natural process and its symptoms are the reaction of body to the disease. Therefore, the chief function of physician was to aid or to help the natural force of the body. That means to help our body or to help our body's natural force or the defense mechanism by the medicine. So our natural force which was disturbed can restore to give the healthy condition. This Unani system of medicine is based on mainly two theories. The first one is Hippocratic theory of 4 humors that given by Hippocrates. The second one is Pythagorean theory of 4 proximate qualities. Come to the first one, Hippocratic theory of 4 humors. That 4 humors are dam, balgam, sephra and soda. Dam means blood, balgam means phlegm, sephra means yellow bile and soda means black bile. As per Unani system of medicine, these 4 humors exist in human body and these humors have ability to regulate different functions of the body. Different organ of our body get nourishment from these humors. As per this system of medicine, every person has a unique humor state or the constitution that represent the healthy state of that person. In every person, these 4 humors present in proper proportion, in correct proportion, in balanced condition. This denotes the healthy state of person. If this proportion or the equilibrium get disturbed, so body's function get disturbed. And if they are becoming abnormal due to some internal and external factor, this abnormality of humors that represent the diseased state, or it lead to the diseased state. In Unani system of medicine, the medicines are given to restore this equilibrium or this balance of these humors, so healthy condition can restore again. Come to the next theory of this system of medicine, that is Pythagorean theory of 4 proximate qualities. What are these 4 proximate qualities? These are the state of living. These are the quality of living of human body. These 4 qualities are hot, cold, moist and dry. As per Unani system of medicine, these 4 qualities or these 4 nature present in different combination. These 4 humors represent the basic element of human body. As per this system of medicine, these 4 qualities are present in different combination in human body. 4 humors themselves assigned a temperament, that is quality, and these 4 qualities are present in different combination and different qualities assigned to 4 humors. 4 qualities present in different combination, it represents 4 basic elements also. As per this system of medicine, this universe is made up of mainly 4 basic elements, that is air, water, fire, earth. These 4 basic elements represent in our body in combination of 4 qualities. Now you can observe in the slide how these 4 elements represent 4 qualities and how these 4 qualities represented by 4 humors. So come to the first, that is 4 humors: blood, phlegm, yellow bile and black bile. So 4 qualities of these humors are, the qualities of blood is hot and moist, qualities of phlegm is cold and moist, qualities of yellow bile is hot and dry, qualities of black bile is cold and dry. Likewise, 4 elements represent the nature of these elements or the qualities of these elements. The nature of air is hot and moist. The nature of water is cold and moist. Nature or the quality of fire is hot and dry. Nature or quality of earth is cold and dry. So likewise, these 4 humors represent their quality in our body, and these 4 elements also have the nature or the quality, or we can say the temperament. In our body, earth and water develop organ. Other element, air and fire, produce energy for proper functioning of this organ. These 4 qualities or the 4 humors and the 4 elements, that is Arkham, that means 4 elements. Akhlat means 4 humors. Mijaj, that means 4 temperament. These are in proper balance, in proper equilibrium, in perfect balance in our body. They keep our body or our mind in healthy condition. Humor and qualities present in different proportion in the body, and that vary from person to person. One or more humor predominates, giving rise to the quality or nature or temperament or mijaj of the person. The example, if in any person saffra, yellow bile is predominant, so what will be the nature or the characteristic of that person? That person will represent the characteristics such as he will be ambitious, short temper, pale complexion, thin body and hair. So likewise, depending on humors, different person have different nature, mijaj, temperament or quality, or the characteristic depending on predominating different for humors. Now, as per Unani system of medicine, there is a power of self-preservation in our body. That is medicatrix nature. or defense mechanism. If there is a disturbance in our body, that might be due to internal or external factor. If humors or elements which are in perfect balance or proper equilibrium in our body, and if that get disturbed due to any internal or external factor, due to which the disease condition will get created. So our body's self-defense mechanism or our body's self-defense system have power to restore this disturbance or equilibrium up to certain limit. When this power of self-preservation get weak, imbalance in humor composition or equilibrium of our humor's qualities and elements get disturbed. So body's function will get disturbed and it represent diseased condition. As per Unani system of medicine, medicine help the body to regain this power. So it will help to restore the humor balance and to regain the healthy condition. So in today's lecture, what we had studied, that is history on Unani system of medicine, principle of Unani system of medicine, that is Hippocrates theory and Pythagorean theory, and what is healthy condition and unhealthy condition as per this system of medicine. In our next video, we will see the next thing. Thank you everyone for listening this video. Thank you so much.